morning, years. Today, the Hindu newspaper headlines. What is the date today? June 14 on Monday 2021. Now going to news. This is advertisement totally. Now news. The Hindi. A year after Galwanan clash, China strengthening base along the lake. PLA has rotated troops, built fresh infrastructure hospitals in the area. See here picture. Moving back, a February 10th foot of tanks pulling back from the banks of Panganga Lake, AP, Andhra Pradesh. Next, yesterday in Telangana, how many cases? 1280 cases, 15 deaths logged on Sunday. The daily positivity rate of COVID-19 infections in Telangana was at 1.4% in spite of testing going down by about 29,000 during the day, as 1,280 new cases and 15 deaths were reported during the 24 hours period till 5:30 p.m. on Sunday, according to a bulletin. Next, going to important news here. Fight against authoritarianism, extremism, says PM at G7 meet. India naturally ally of the grouping, says Modi at special session on open societies, making commitment point G7 summit. Where G7 summit, India is a natural ally to work with the world rich G7 countries of fight against threats of authoritarianism, said Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Next, Hyderabad toll shows massive undercount. The excess deaths are 10 times Telangana toll. Next one. Over 63L rights to get 7,509 crore support. The Telangana government is all set to credit in investment support of about 7,509 crore at the rate of 5,000 per acre directly into the bank accounts of 63,25,695 pattadar farmers in the state with a total land holding of 150.18 lakh acres of taking up cultivation of crops this Kharif Vanakalam season. The process would begin on June 15 and expected to be completed in 10 days. Next one, very important Warangal news came. Warangal jail to house hospital. Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao has ordered constructions of 24-storied green building for the multi-super specialty hospital to be constructed in place of the central jail at Warangal. It should have helped on the terrace for landing of helicopters bringing patients of emergency care, to be built on the lines of the multi-storied McHinchel Health Science Center in Canada. The hospital should have cross ventilation for free flow of air and light, authorities were told. This is advertisement here. Next one, very important news came. Oxygen concentrator cylinder refills cheaper now. State force 1,280 cases, 15 deaths. GHMC area leads with 165 infections, tests down by 29,000. Here, arbitrary charges during peak of second wave caused financially distress to people. Going to next news. Here, XMP donates 1,000 PPE kits to hospital. TRS leader and former Khammam MP Ponguleti Srinivas Reddy, before YSRCP MP, donated 1,000 personal protection equipment PPE kits to doctors and other staff at the government headquarters hospital in Kottagudem on Sunday. Mr. Reddy, along with the Jilla Parishad Vice Chairman Kancharla Chandrasekhar Rao and others, visited the government hospital in the coal town and handed over the PPE kits to hospital Superintendent Sarala. Next year. Restricts mass gathering till here and experts argue government suggest rampling after testing suggest ramping up testing, surveilling, and vaccination. City from gets DCGI not for phase 2 drugs trials. Here, no, go to down. Education. Education plus here business news, scholarship news, jobs, admissions. So many news are there. Here very important news KCR news came. Warangal jail to house 24-storied hospital. KCR to lay stone for the hospital on June 21. Here jail demolition completed. Demolition completed. Sales of lands to be notified on June 16. We will require lands being sold now, but Vikramarka Congress will come back to power. Here Jagareddy news also came. Don't please people MLA T. Prakash Reddy. Over 63 rights to get 7,509 crore support. Raitu Bandhu to cover 150.18 lakh across this time. Itala Rajendra news also came. Special flight to take Itala team to Delhi. Former Minister Itala Rajendra and his support will be flying to New Delhi. A special flight early on Monday morning to join the Bharatiya Janata Party. The special flight has been booked by himself to accommodated about 180 leaders and flyers including former MLAs E. Ravinder Reddy and Ramesh Rathod and former ZP Chairman T. Uma, party sources said on Sunday. The flight will take off from Shamshabad airport around 7:30 am and land to Delhi at 9:30 am. Mr. Rajendra will then move to the BJP national headquarters to take up party membership formally along with his followers. Bharatiya Janata Party National President JP Nadda is expected to be present to welcome the former Telangana Rashtra Samiti encouraged from here. Although there is no word as of now on Home Minister Amit Shah giving any appointed, the former minister is said to be keen to meeting him to send a strong signal. Union Minister of State of Home J. Kishan Reddy, who has played a key role in luring him into the party along with party president Bandi Sanjay Kumar, will hosting with lunch and dinner at his official residence. The touring party is said to be have booked private hotel and the BJP on its party has reserved a few guest house for accommodating them, party sources said. This is Itala Rajendra news. Next, going to next which news? Kauravas Pandavas politics of the day. AICC spokesperson Shravan Das interesting parallel. Here, People's News came. A.T. Gadda Kistapur. House states right to Chief Minister. Do justice to us as we are facing several problems, they say. Next, which news came? Here, important news. Congress MP alleges threat from CPM activities. Congress MP Ramya Haridas has filed a police complaint alleging that a few CPA activists threatened and variably abused her. The Althar MP said she was threatened by a group led by former Althar Panchayati Vice President M.A. Nazar and Councillor Nazib during a cleaning drive on Sunday. Here important news came. Forest news. Demands Stokes illegal rosewood felling. More cases of tree felling emerge across state. Probe in Kerala into the lucrative black market. Yadadri news also came. Yadadri collector transferred. The state government on Sunday transferred Yadadri Bonagiri collector Anitha Ramachandran and replaced her with Warangal Municipal Commissioner Pamela Satpathy. The order was issued by Chief Secretary Somesh Kumar. Mentally unstable man beaten to death by police. Here, actor news also came. Actor Sanchari Vijay critical after accident. He undergoes brain surgery. Next, which news came? Probe reveals mass trafficking of women from Bangladesh. Bangalore police uncover another prostitution racket. 49 acres reclaimed in Vizag in a day, Andhra Pradesh. Here, Kerala sees 11,584 cases drop in AP fatalities. Karnataka to 1 lakh, partially from today. KIMS IPO opens on June 16. Next year, Jagitela news came. Jagitela police catch burglar. Police recover 1.06 kg of gold ornaments. Senior Maoist leader dies of heart attack in forest. Katti Mohan Rao alias Dhammadhada. Editorial. This articles. The world is hardly wide for cyber resiliences. Origin unclear. Next, renewed uncertainty. Higher education in Kerala needs a new chapter. Letters to the editor. Planning for a biosecure future. Censorship by noise. The act of delegitimizing professional journalism undermines news media's status as fourth state. This totally articles. Biden's mentioned vision dividing the world into democratic and autocratic campus unrealistic. This is totally the Hindu paper news headlines. Thank you, viewers.